Today we are going to make some flowers. To make this flower, take a sheet and draw some lines. Now cut it into 4 strips and cut the other color paper into 8 strips. Now stick the ends of the strips with glue and make a ring. Now do the same with the other strips also. Now take a ring and apply some glue in the center and stick it like this. This makes a bow like thing. Now do the same with the other rings also. Now let's take this and apply some glue here and stick this in the center. Now let's take the other ones also. Now it makes our first layer. Now do the second layer with the lighter shade and do the same thing with this one also. This one is our last piece. Stick it well. Now it looks something like this. Cut some leaves with green colored paper and stick it to the flower. Now let's stick the other leaf right next to our first leaf. Cut a small circle with yellow colored paper and stick it to the center of the flower. Now our flower is ready. Take a look of both of the flowers. Now let's make this flower. Take 2 sheets of paper, one smaller and one larger. Take the larger sheet and fold it into half and make a triangle. Now again fold this and make a triangle. Now do this one more time. Now fold this part like this. Now take the scissors and cut it like this to make the petals of the flower. Now open it. Now make a larger cut to the center and make small cuts all over the flower. Now take a pen and make the outlines here. I'm using a yellow glitter pen. You can use any other color also. Now stick this part like this. Now hold the scissors like this and curve the petals. Now let's make the smaller flower. So fold it like the previous one. All sides should be equal. Now fold this part like this and again fold it like this. Now let's cut this part like this to make the petals of the flowers. Now open it. Now make a larger cut to the center and make small cuts around the flower. Now let's outline it too. I am using orange glitter pen. You can use any other color also. Now apply some glue here and stick these two petals together. Now with the help of the scissors, curve all the petals. Make a circle with yellow colored paper. Apply some glue here and stick the smaller flower like this. Now let's stick the circle in the center. Now let's cut some leaves out of green colored paper. Make a smaller leaf also. Now let's make some pattern here. And make the same pattern on the other leaf. And now stick it to the flower. And stick the other leaf also. Now let's curve the leaves with the help of the scissors. Yay! Our flower is ready. Now let's make this pink little flower. To make this flower, take a sheet and fold it into half. Now fold it again into half. Now fold this part like this. Now make some cuts here. Now cut it from the sides to make it look much more like flower petals. Now open it. Now let's cut this to separate the petals. Now apply some glue in this area and stick it together. Now apply some glue here and stick it together. Now apply some glue here and stick it. Now let's cut out a small circle out of yellow colored paper. Apply some glue on the circle and stick it to the center. Now make some leaves and apply some glue on them and Stick it to the flower. And do the same with the other leaf. I did not outline this flower. Take your pen and outline it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more creative ideas. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.